started by my father in the early 70s. 73 we started off, and now it's been 40 plus years since we've been running the company. And during my father's days, the focus was on South. So we were traditionally known as a South-based company, and gradually we expanded and went all India. So from a South-based company we moved all India, and also during the same period we were a single division company where we were just promoting a few products with one division and one field force. Now today we have 12 divisions, doing only domestic in the past, and gradually we increased our focus on exports also. So initially we started off with third world countries, developing countries, and then gradually moved into regulated markets like US, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, etc. So today we cover about 40 countries worldwide, practically all the continents, and domestic we do all India, every nook and corner with different specialties. We also gradually we realized that especially for the regulated markets like US, Europe, you need your own API. So we forayed into our own API manufacturing. So most of the products that we do for exports, especially for US, Europe, we make our own API. As a company, we've always tried to focus, like identified certain specialties and tried to have a dedicated field force to focus on those specialties. And that's how we created divisions: cardiology, diabetology, dermatology, ophthalmology. And as we expanded, we realized that looking into the number of hospitals that have been increasing, and the hospital acquired infections, and the huge usage of antibiotics, especially the injectable range of products, we felt that there was a need for a separate division which could handle this particular specialty. And here the ecosystem in the hospitals is totally different, so you need a different type of field force to address this particular specialty. So that's how we identified and then created a separate division of critical care. As a company, we've focused heavily on academics and scientific information providing. Our strength has been that, especially with our medical department and our field force, that how we are able to provide the latest of information to the doctor, so that could be more useful to him and in his practice and for the benefit of his patients. So, and that has been one of our plus points, even in our other specialties. So we utilize this platform of these national conferences, especially where at a time 2,000, 3,000, depending on the conference, you get the cream of, not only the cream, in fact practically all the doctors across the country come and assemble here on one particular platform. So it's a very good opportunity to whatever information you have, you are able to provide it to them. Like one of the initiatives that we have taken is we are launching this a Micro Criticare Connect application, which will be launched at this conference for the first time in the country here, and I'm sure that's going to be very useful for all doctors.